For my first treasure basket, I have a few items. The first one is a soft paint roller. The babies would be able to feel the cushion on it. They could possibly make little noises in the end of it that would echo something fun to play with. Next thing I have is a bottle that contains cinnamon sticks. Makes a good noise when you shake it around. Plus, they could pop the top and smell the fresh cinnamon through the holes. I also have a empty conditioner jar, but when you take the lid off, it smells like rose petals. We've got a heart-shaped cookie cutter. This is made out of metal. An orange plastic measuring cup. I've got the idea from the video, popping the top on the jelly lid. Plus, it still smells like grape jelly, even though it's been washed. I've got this miniature pan that was from a cooking set that's actually been used before. It's made out of metal. As you can see. I have a little ceramic bell. The babies could shake that around. I actually have a magnifying glass, which I'm not really sure if they would be able to use it correctly, but it's something that we could suggest that they try. I've got a few gold bracelets that they could clang together, put on their arms. An old wooden spoon that you can see has been used many times. And this little fish decoration that actually has water in it. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. So that's my first one. This is going to be my second treasure basket. The first thing I have is a bright yellow loofah. We've got a plastic rolling pin. It's actually very light, but you could see how a baby would enjoy playing with that. I've got this small little bowl. It's also bright yellow. This was a wafer straw container. It was like strawberry and vanilla, the little straws you put in your coffee, but a baby could smell that still. We've got this flower-shaped foot scrubber. It's got a different texture, kind of like a sponge, but a little bit harder. We've got this Nerf ball. It makes noise. You're supposed to fill it up with water, but I didn't think that would be appropriate for the baby, but it also bounces. This is a brush used for marinating, but it's brand new. It's very flimsy on the end. It actually feels kind of good on my fingers just playing with it, so I could see how my baby could have fun with that. Also, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Same idea there. It's got a different texture on it. This little toy truck. We've got the I and the U that goes with the heart-shaped cookie cutters. They could play with either one of these. The matching metal bowl. This is a miniature pan. I forget what you call them. Ovenware. It's bright red. It's not very heavy. And then 2 seashells. This one's very smooth. Maybe you could suggest that they put it to their ear to see if they could hear the ocean. Now, same thing with this one, except it's bumpy. Still kind of smells like salt water. This is something that a baby could take some time exploring. So, those are my 2 baskets.